Okay, we're going to put the case together. So we're going to need this part, the Raspberry Pi, and we're going to need the actual case. So I got them out of the boxes. So this is Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, and this is a cute little case that looks like a retro gaming system, and it's all together. Cool, huh? Alright. Oops. Alright, so there's a fan we need to connect, and we need to put the Raspberry Pi in here. Whoops, got it backwards. Switch it around. There we go. So, we line up where the screws are going to go in here. And then we're going to connect the fan. So this part's going to come over and go over the part where the USB stuff is. And that way you can open this up and get to that. So for now, we're going to put that here. And we'll turn this like so. Oops, let me not turn the camera. And then we're going to take the black wire. That is going to go on the 7th one down. Right here. And then the red cable is going to go on this one. So those are actually pin 2 and pin 14. Sorry with the camera all over the place. So I don't know if you can see this, but this is pin 2 and then this is pin 14.